Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from Chapter 5, Work, Energy and Power. And today is not problem solving session, it is a questionnaire session. That is, 7 questions will be given today. It will be floated in YouTube, and next session problem will be solved and we will find a solution for these 7 questions. Let's move to first question. Question number 1. The energy required to break one bond in DNA is 10 power minus 20 joules. This value in EV, what is EV? Electron volt, is nearly dash. Option A 0.6, B option 0.06, C option 0.006, D option 6. So by knowing the relationship between joules and the EV, electron volt, you are able to find the solution of this. A man of 50 kilogram mass is standing in a gravity free space at a height of 10 meter above the floor. He throws a stone of 0.5 kilogram mass downwards with a speed 2 meter per second. When the stone reaches the floor, the distance of the man above the floor will be dash. Option A 9.9 meter, B option 10.1 meter, C option 10 meter, D option 20 meter. By knowing the equation of motion, you are able to find the solution of this answer. Okay, let's move to question number 3. A force F equal to 20 plus 10 y acts on a particle in y direction, where F is in Newton and y is in meter. Work done by these force to move the particle from y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 meter is dash. Option A 5 joules, B option 25 joules, C option 20 joules, last option 30 joules. So by knowing the relationship between work, force and distance, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 4. Force F on a particle moving in a straight line varies with distance d as shown in the diagram. The work done on the particle during its displacement of 12 meter is dash. Option A 21 joules, B option 26 joules, C option 13 joules, last option 18 joules. That is, you should find the relationship between work, force and distance, and you should take that also from the graph. In graphical representation, you should have idea about the relationship. Then only you are able to find the solution for these 4 questions. Let's move to question number 5. A bomb of mass 30 kilogram at rest explodes into 2 pieces of masses 18 kilogram and 12 kilogram. The velocity of 18 kilogram mass is 6 meter per second. The kinetic energy of other mass is dash. Option A 256 joules, B option 486 joules, C option 524 joules, D option 324 joules. That is, by knowing the relationship between initial kinetic energy and final kinetic energy, you are going to find the solution. Let's move to question number 6. 2 masses 1 gram and 9 gram are moving with equal kinetic energies. The ratio of the magnitude of their respective linear momenta is dash. A option 1:9, B option 9:1, C option 1:3, D option 3:1. That is, here you want to find the ratio of the magnitude of the linear momenta. So you should know the relationship between linear momenta, mass. Okay. From this, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to last question, 7th question. An engine pumps water continuously through a hose. Water leaves the hose with a velocity v, and m is the mass per unit length of the water jet. What is the rate at which the kinetic energy is imparted to water? Option A of mv cube, B option mv cube, C option of mv square, D option of m square v cube. So here you should find the relationship between rate of kinetic energy and then what's the other thing given? Mass per unit length velocity. So from this you should find the solution for this question. Okay, thank you students, and then next session we are going to solve the solution for this question. Before that, you try to work out and be ready for next session. Thank you students.